Welcome to the deep dive. Today, we're tackling something pretty major.
Oh, yeah. What's on the docket?
AI in software development. It's really taken off and, well, accelerating.
Ah, okay. Yeah, that's definitely a hot topic. Lots of buzz.
Exactly. We've got some fresh stuff from Meta's LlamaCon event.
Mm.
Satya Nadella from Microsoft was there, Zuckerberg too.
No, interesting. Nadella and Zuckerberg on the same stage, essentially, talking AI code gen.
Pretty much.
Yeah.
And our mission, sort of, is to figure out what it all means when AI starts writing the code.
Right. The implications are potentially enormous.
And get this, here's a kicker right away.
Mm.
Nadella revealed that AI is already writing 20 to 30% of Microsoft's code.
Wait, 20 to 30% already?
Yeah,
Wow. I mean, for a company like Microsoft, that's staggering. Think about the scale.
that's exactly it. Tens of
Yeah.
thousands of developers, right? So that percentage isn't trivial. It's huge.
Absolutely huge. It makes you wonder, what kind of code is it? Is it boilerplate, testing, actual features, and how are they, integrating that?
Good questions.
Yeah.
And then you look at Meta. Zuckerberg's take is, well, even more aggressive maybe.
How so?
He's predicting that within the next year or so, AI could be handling maybe half of Meta's development work.
Half. Seriously, within a year.
That's what he suggested, 50%.
Okay, that's incredibly fast, especially given their scale, too.
And it's not just using AI, they're building AI.
Yeah.
The Llama model specifically designed to create future AI models. It's like AI building AI.
Right, compounding the effect. It really highlights just how quickly generative AI for code has matured, doesn't it?
It does. For giants like Meta and Microsoft to be talking these kinds of numbers this fast,
Yeah.
it feels like we're past the tipping point.
Yeah, it suggests a really fundamental shift is underway. Not just coming, but, happening now.
And it's not just those two, is it? This feels like a wider thing since maybe ChatGPT landed late 2022.
Definitely seems that way. There are other signals out there.
Like Google. Sundar Pichai said back in October, I think, that over 25% of their new code was AI generated.
Right, so Microsoft 20-30%, Google over 25%, Meta aiming for 50%. You connected those dots.
You see a clear pattern, a major industry trend.
It's becoming standard practice almost. The drive for efficiency, faster cycles. It's compelling.
And it's hitting staffing decisions, too. We heard about Shopify CEO Toby Lebke, right?
Yeah, telling teams to basically justify hiring a person versus using AI.
Exactly. And Luis Van Ahn at Duolingo announcing they're replacing some human contractors with AI for content creation.
So it's having tangible impacts on, jobs and team structures already. It's not theoretical.
Companies are actively rethinking, where humans fit best versus where AI can take over.
It's a profound reevaluation.
And the AI tools themselves are evolving like crazy. Heard about OpenAI potentially buying a company called Windsurf?
Windsurf, can't say I have. What's their angle?
Apparently they're working on something called vibe coding.
Vibe coding. Okay, what does that mean? Sounds a bit out there.
I know, right? The idea, as I understand it, is generating whole programs from really minimal, almost intuitive, high-level inputs, like describing the vibe you want.
So abstracting away even more the technical detail, using AI to translate a feeling or a high-level goal directly into code.
Seems like it.
Yeah.
It could massively lower the barrier to entry, maybe.
Or just drastically speed things up for existing developers. Interesting.
So wrapping this up, the main takeaway seems pretty clear, doesn't it?
Yeah, software development is changing, and changing fast. We're shifting from humans writing nearly all the code
to AI being a major, maybe soon the major contributor. And like Nadella and Zuckerberg both stressed, it's happening quickly. Right.
This rapid integration, it's not just about lines of code. It impacts everything: innovation, security, quality.
Definitely. So maybe the final thought for you listening is this. As AI increasingly builds the digital tools you use every single day.
Yeah, how does that change things? Think about the quality of that software, its security. Where does innovation come from next?
And what does it mean for human developers? What new roles or skills become critical in this new landscape?
Lots to think about. It's certainly a fascinating space to watch.
Absolutely. Thanks for diving deep with us on this one.